Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Terabox account step by step. First, go to the official website by tapping www.terabox.com into your browser, or even you can open the app from downloading from Play Store or App Store. Now look at the top right of the homepage. If you see sign up, click on it, create a new account. Here this one, sign up for new account. After that, once you are on the sign up page, you can register using your email. Here is the email option and even your phone option. Email is better, I think. Then in this you can register using your email or Google account, or even you can use Facebook. Enter your email address, create a strong password and click sign up, or you can click registration as well. Then complete the security verification, and once verified, your Terabox account will be created and you will be redirected to your cloud storage dashboard. Here it is, and that's it. You now have a free Terabox account with 1 TB of cloud storage. You can start uploading and managing files right away. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.